No, the checkout system failed right after the update.
I understand, sir. We are escalating this right now.
Every minute your website is down, you lose revenue and client trust. Introducing Uptime Monitor, the Google Sheets tool trusted by webmasters and agencies. First, click the Websites tab and type in the URL of your site. Next, select a priority for your site, high, medium or low. Go to the Settings tab and enter the email addresses to receive alerts. You can add as many as you need, up to a maximum of 5. Set how often you want checks to run, then click Test Settings to confirm everything is working. Finally, check your inbox to see the test alert. Your website status is ready to monitor in real time. Track every check in logs and get deeper insights with Looker Studio reports. Take control of your website uptime with priority-based checks and instant alerts. It's easy to set up and completely free.